Activating your H2O Wireless SIM card is easy. H2O Wireless is a prepaid carrier that uses major networks to provide wireless service. As of 2025, the fastest way to activate is through their app or website. First, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with H2O Wireless. This ensures smooth activation on their partnered networks. Then, insert the SIM card into your phone, or if you have a newer phone like an iPhone 14 or later, use the eSIM option. For a physical SIM, simply insert the card. For an eSIM, scan the QR code provided by H2O Wireless. Next, go to h2owireless.com or use the Straight Talk app to begin the activation process. This digital method is the fastest way to get your service running. On the website or app, you'll need to enter your SIM card number, which is the ICC ID, and your phone's IMEI number. You will also need to provide your personal information and payment details. Once you submit the information, the system will register your SIM card with the network. This can take anywhere from 10 to 60 minutes. You'll receive a confirmation SMS or email once it's done. If you run into issues like a SIM not recognized error, try restarting your phone. If activation is pending for too long, it might be due to network congestion. H2O Wireless also offers AI-powered chatbots in their app to help troubleshoot common problems. If you still have problems, contact their support team.